So, hi guys! With Chloe again. So, mamimili kami dito sa greenhouse. And syempre, ang first bibilin ang pagkain ni Mitya. No more. What? No more egg. Is there egg, huh?
Pag ayaw, ikaw na lang pa mo mag-try. Shoot mo sa ulo ko, ma'am. Okay, ready?
Turn up. That's a pass.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Bago na siya, hindi na sisiyo.
Egg na.
Egg na ako.
Wow. Do you want the egg? Hey!
1, 2, 3, go!
No, no, oh no!
Okay, ready? Wow, look po.
Say thank you po. Wanna play? Are you happy? Are you happy? Show me your pocket face. Do you want to... Nag-picture na. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Bouncing. So guys, we're home! So guys, ito na aking napa-shopping. And papakita ko kay Meteor yung nabili ko kasi di siya nakita kanina. Hindi niya nakita ito kanina. So, louder. Count. stand up. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yay! What's this? What's this? What is the color? Blue. What's this? Helicopter. And this? Blue car. Race car. Police car. This is a? This is a? Are you happy for this? Motor? Cycle. What is the color? Yellow and big bike. This is a big bike. Same kayo ng tatay mo. And storytelling to, guys. Storytelling. Ilalagay siya dito. Ayun o. Iba-ibang story. Wow. Look oh. If you are sleeping and time. Ilalagay siya dyan sa dingding. Tapos iba-iba. Sasalpakan mo siya ng dinosaur or shark, and may free siya na ugly duckling. Favorite niya. And you have a surprise. What's this? You have the fire truck. Wow, look oh. May ilaw yan, anak. Oh. And this one, oh, may ilaw yan. Another one. You have this. What's this? Alphabets. Look oh. P Q X Y and yay! What's this? Alphabets. I will put it here. Okay po. And then next you have a look oh. This is a car numbers, I think. Numbers train. What's this? This is a puzzle globe. Okay, I'll say to Mamila open. Give it to Mamila. You say open, Mamila. Open, Mamila.
Open po.
Open, please. You say
Open,
please.
please. Say please.
You say please. Show mo muna yung chuchuwa dance while back your face.
Chuchua.
Bakit face? Wait. Before I open, you didn't say thank you to Mommy. What will you say?
You say thank you. Thank you to the Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Okay, you kiss Mommy. You hug Mommy, please. You're so excited to your motor, huh? Thank you!